First of all, when it comes to live streaming your event, you're putting together all this awesome content, you're doing all this awesome video and everything like that. Well, you have to also think about the internet and how you're gonna get it out there. You might be thinking to yourself, yeah, well, I got internet, I got the Wi-Fi at the hotel, we're good to go. Be careful of that. Sometimes Wi-Fi can be really, really unreliable. I mean, you've probably seen it before where you've been sitting there doing something on your phone and then lots of attendees show up, 3,000 people show up, and all of a sudden the Wi-Fi just starts to suck. No one wants that. So instead, what you want to utilize is what's called a hardwired internet connection. A hardwired internet connection is like when you hook up for internet straight into the wall. The reason why this is important is that it doesn't rely on the wirelessness, I guess I'll call it as a technical term, that can potentially have issues. Instead, you have a dedicated internet connection. So first thing is make sure it's hardwired. Second thing is to make sure it's dedicated. Why does it matter if it's dedicated? Well, let's say for example, it's on the same network as all your Wi-Fi and all your attendees. 3,000 people shows up, the Wi-Fi starts to get bogged down. If you're on a shared internet connection, even if it's hardwired with that Wi-Fi, your internet connection is going to go down as well or have issues, and no one wants that. Last thing you want is your whole live stream audience to lose connection. Hey, yikes! So instead, make it dedicated so it's completely separated and make sure it's hardwired. Pretty easy, right?